first of all. And the
Thank you.
second thing, let us start. Yeah, in the last lecture we saw which are the
Yes.
different types of firm,
सर
which,
सर जस्ट टू इंटरप्ट जल्दी इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ आपको ये मैम ने पहले जल्दी लेक्चर रखा लेट लेक्चर रखा था ना
हाँ,
तो दो लेक्चर कि एक ही लेक्चर है आज
एक ही है।
एक ही ओके
तेरी बर्थडे है ना?
कल कल अभी मैं सेलिब्रेट कुछ कर नहीं रहा एक्चुअली तो ऐसे बैठूंगा घर पे टाइम पास
Okay. So in the last lecture we have learnt about firms, and firms do different activities that depends on primary activity, secondary activity, and tertiary activity. When the firm wants to grow or expand the business, then there are different types of acquisitions or merger. There is horizontal merger, which the same level of production, the primary getting merged with primary, secondary with secondary, and tertiary with tertiary. Then there is a horizontal merger. Horizontal merger is divided into two parts. No, sorry, vertical merger is divided into two
गाइड
parts:
यस
vertical forward and vertical backward. When primary sector merging with secondary or tertiary, and secondary sector merging with tertiary, that means they are going near to the customers, then it is called vertical forward. Vertical backward means in reverse, when tertiary sector getting merged with primary or secondary, or primary sector getting merged with secondary sector getting merged with primary sector. In that case, you will be saying that it is a vertical backward. Okay. इन दोनों में से you will be asked advantage and the disadvantage of merger. Then we have conglomerate. Conglomerate, when two different firms from two different industries getting merged with each other for a particular period or for particular product or project. Here also advantages and disadvantages are there. Why do when firm grows or in output or in size? What is the main purpose? When the firm get merged with each other, then either they have economies of scale, that is also divided into two parts: internal economies of scale and internal diseconomies of scale. जैसे हम लोग ने बीएस में पढ़ा था, वैसे सेम यहाँ पे भी है. पीएम टू टीएम ट्रांसफर टू एफएम, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ट्रांसफर टू फाइनेंस मैनेजर, purchasing economies of scale, managerial economies of scale, technological economies of scale, risk economies of scale, financial economies of scale, and management economies of scale. But and we have, what is internal economies of scale? When a firm is growing, and because of the growth in the firm or expansion in the firm or growth in the output, when the average cost or per unit cost come down, then it is called economies of scale. There is internal diseconomies of scale. That is when the firm grow in size, it is difficult to communicate. It's difficult for managers to command. Then there can be a misunderstanding, then can be industrial dispute between the workers, because there is no personal relation between the employers and employee. So then we come to diseconomies of scale.
So
External
one quick
economies
question
and diseconomies.
हाँ
External,
हाँ one question one
when
question
when
one
an
question
when an industry when an industry grows, and because of that firm gets an advantage, that is called external economies of scale. And because of the growth in the industry beyond a certain point, then if the firm gets a disadvantage, that is called external diseconomies of scale. You have to remember the graph, U graph, U graph. There you are, exactly. On the left hand side, below the optimum level. Generally, students don't mention this optimum level. The minimum point where your average cost of the firm is the lowest. On the y-axis, it will be cost, and the x-axis, it will be output.
सर आप
So,
इसका रिवीजन करवा रहे हो वापस
नहीं खाली
पहले?
बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसके ऊपर पूरा डिपेंडेंट है, नेक्स्ट
अच्छा
नेक्स्ट
अच्छा
पूरा इसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है। अगर
सर
आपको
एक
पूरा ये
क्वेश्चन। हाँ, आपने मेरे को बताया था कि अगर लिखा नहीं रहेगा ना क्वेश्चन में कि कौन सा इकोनॉमी ऑफ स्केल है तो ऑलवेज इंटरनल रहेगा, आपने बोला था
हाँ,
इंटरनल
आपको तो
लिखना।
जनरल नहीं अगर अगर हाँ, जनरली दे डू दैट, बट यू माइट बी आस्क, यू
ओके
डोंट
ओके।
नो, यू आर स्टडिंग इन वीटी, और तुम्हारे वीटी के सर जो है ना, आई एम लविंग हिम। Okay, so the same way you have external diseconomies of scale, you have to remember when external economies of scale होगा तो your U curve will shift down. U curve जो यह है वो will shift down, और external diseconomies of scale होगा तो your U curve will shift up. एंड इंटरनल इकोनॉमीज एंड डिसइकोनॉमीज में खाली एक अकेला यू रहेगा, ओनली वन यू, वेयर द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू टू द ऑप्टिमम लेवल इट विल बी इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल वेयर योर कॉस्ट इज फॉलिंग डाउन, एवरेज कॉस्ट और कॉस्ट पर यूनिट कॉस्ट इज फॉलिंग डाउन, एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑप्टिमम लेवल your average cost goes on increase, that is the diseconomies of scale. So when you are going to draw the graph, you have to remember which economies of scale you are mentioning. Now coming to the next subject, next topic, firms and chapter number 21, firms and production. Yeah. Can you see the sharing? Okay. Very good. Sigma new है?
है ना सर?
तो बस तू स्क्रीन पे आना भाई, तेरा चेहरा देखे बिना मुझे पढ़ाने का दिल नहीं करता। आदि क्या करूं मैं?
क्या
Either okay,
तीनों
चलो जाने
शक्ल
दो।
दिखा, मन नहीं कर।
Okay, okay, firms and production. Here you are going to how the as you know the factors firms and production. Now production, the firms do production. Production they do with the help of four factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, and enterprise. So how the demand for labor or demand for land can increase? Which are those factors which are affecting the demand for factors of production? Which are those factors when the business will try to use more labor intensive production method or capital intensive production method? And productivity or production mein what is the difference? That we are going to learn in this chapter. Now as you can see on the screen, demand for factors of production. This is the basic that you will be requiring to answer your question. What factors of productions are employed? The type of factors of production employed is influenced by the type of the product. Which type of product you are making, the productivity of the factors, and their cost. These are the three basic things that you are supposed to always answer and always remember. This is a very big line which is the starting point of your answer. That the demand will depend, because demand of factor of production is done by the producer. So they will understand which type of production they are using, which type of product they are making. What is the productivity? If the labor productivity is higher or the capital productivity higher. And the most important thing, because every factor of production have a cost. आपको पता है ये चार फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन है अपने, लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, एंटरप्राइज. लैंड की कॉस्ट क्या है?
लेबर का कॉस्ट क्या है?
नहीं
अच्छा,
नहीं,
लैंड का कॉस्ट, लैंड कॉस्ट मतलब क्या है, मतलब पैसे में कि क्या क्या आता है इसमें?
What is the when, for example, I am having a land and you are a producer and you are going to use my land, then what you will pay me?
I'll pay you money, costs का जो होता है.
What is that called? Rent.
Rent, yes. अच्छा अच्छा, वैसे बोल रहे हो. Okay, got it.
Okay, so the rent paid to land, then labor को
लेबर को ये वेट सैलरी थी तो ये वेजेस।
कैपिटल,
कैपिटल तो बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं ना।
हाँ, तो उसका रिटर्न क्या होता है?
लोन
इंटरेस्ट।
इंटरेस्ट, अच्छा हाँ
इंटरेस्ट।
इंटरेस्ट यस।
एंड एंटरप्राइज को क्या मिलता है? प्रॉफिट।
एंटरप्रेन्योर प्रॉफिट यस।
प्रॉफिट। सो rent, wages, capital, and profit are the cost of factors of production. So your which type, how the demand of that factor of production will be depending on the पहले तो वो कौन सा product you are going to produce, then the productivity of that factor of production, and what is the cost of that factor. A firm producing standardized model of car is likely to be very capital intensive. ये इसका लॉजिक मेरे को समझाओ. Where a beauty salon is likely to be labor intensive, where you don't have your output में कोई change नहीं होगा, the same output होगा. For example, this made by this bottling plant of Coca-Cola or Pepsi, when the output is identical to each other, at that time the producer will be using capital intensive, and whereas the output is not identical or same to each other, there is no standardization, then you can be using labor intensive. नहीं समझ में आएगा पूछना मुझे. Don't allow me to go ahead.
आ गया समझ।
When factor of productions are substitute, now अभी हम लोग we will call about substitute. Which are the substitute product?
सब्स्टिट्यूट प्रोडक्ट्स जो उनके वो लाइक कोका कोला पेप्सी।
Okay. So a rise in the productivity or a fall in the cost of one of them may result in change in the combination of resourcing being employed. So a rise in the productivity, substitute product है, तूने बताया Pepsi and Coke. Now in the a rise in the productivity or a fall in the cost of one of them, दोनों में से किसी एक की भी जो हो गया ना, so the combination of the factor of production that you are using, for example, you are using 2 labor only, and Tigmanu is using 20 labors, because Tigmanu is service oriented, where your personalized service is required, but you are making a standardized product, so you are using 2 labor. Now if your products are substitute, so a rise in the productivity of any of the Pepsi or Coke, or the cost of production fall होता है कोई भी प्रोडक्ट का, एक या दूसरे का, X और Y का. So whatever the combination of factor of production that you are using, it will get changed. See, a fall in the price of capital goods, for example, might lead to replacement of some workers. अगर capital and this labor are substitute for each other, so if capital cost goes down, then what will happen? Producers
Capital.
are going to use
Yes.
more of capital, and
Yes.
use of the labor will be reduced. In other case, where factor of productions are complement, अभी जब complement होंगे factor of production, complement means
कॉम्प्लीमेंट
example,
मतलब या इफ टी का बढ़ेगा, कॉफी है तो कॉफी का
नहीं,
प्राइस
टी
बढ़ा तो मिल्क
कॉफी
का
आर
भी बढ़ेगा।
सब्स्टिट्यूट, नो टी
नॉट टी
कॉफी आर
कॉफी, अगर टी का जैसे बोलते कॉफी एंड मिल्क, और
no,
कॉफी का बढ़ा तो इसका मिल्क का बढ़
yeah,
जाएगा प्राइस, अगर
so
मिल्क का बढ़ा तो कॉफी का प्राइस बढ़
yeah,
जाएगा।
so when the factors of product, now we are talking about factors of productions, that is land, labor, capital, and the price, they are complement. A fall in the price of one or a rise in the productivity may increase the employment of all factors in a firm. एक एग्जाम्पल है, देखो, a fall in the price of aircraft, that means capital good, aircraft capital की price नीचे गई, may make the possible for an airline to fly more destination. So उससे now when the more aircrafts are being used, so you are using more of labor also, so capital also more and labor also, because in aircraft pilots and planes, they are complement to each other. अकेला पायलट को कुछ काम नहीं, अकेला प्लेन का कुछ काम नहीं है. So you want labor and capital together. If so, they will also employ more pilots, more cabin crew, and obtain more takeoff and landing slots of airports. So this will happen. The land also will be utilized more because the factors of productions are complement to each other. Any doubts? Okay. Now the second factor is altering factor of production. Altering means changing or amending, making change. If a firm wants to change the quantity of resources employed by it, whatever तूने raw material, you are making shoe, you are having a shoe company, and you want to change the quantity of resources, that is either land or labor or capital, it will find it easier to do this with some factors than others. So it is not possible. अगर तुझे land change करनी है, labor change करना है, capital change करना है या entrepreneur change करना है, there are depending on your product, चार में से एक फैक्टर ऐसा जो होगा that you will be able to change very easily. उसके बाद सेकंड आएगा, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. In the short run, there is likely to be at least one fixed factor of production. वो कौन सा होता है?
लेबर कैपिटल, सॉरी.
हाँ, और इन द शॉर्ट रन कौन सा फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन वेरिएबल होता है?
इन द शॉर्ट रन लेबर.
वेरी गुड. लेबर इज द ओनली फैक्टर. इन द लॉन्ग रन कौन सा? लॉन्ग रन क्या होता है?
कैपिटल.
No, in the long run, every factor of production, they are variable. But in the short run, there is one fixed factor of production which is fixed. This means the quantity cannot be altered quickly. उसकी quantity, अभी now we are coming to the short run. So they say that short run में एक factor of production ऐसा होता है जो fixed होता है. That quantity cannot be changed. The most obvious example is the size of the factory or size of the office. It will take time for a firm designing expansion to expand its building or building new ones, because that is capital or land. Similarly, one wanting to reduce the output, जिसको output reduce करना है, is unlikely to be able to stop renting or sell off its building quickly. This is one case. In contrast, it is likely to be easier to change the quantity of labor, because labor is a variable factor. Even in the short run, it may be possible to alter the quantity of labor by changing the amount of overtime available. It may also be possible to change orders for raw materials and capital equipment, but it will depend on the length of the contract, and in the case of increasing demand, the availability of spare capacity in firms producing them. Now, first of all, we have understood about how the demand of the factors of production are there. It depends which type of product you are producing, production method that you are using, and the cost of the production. Then we saw that if the factors of production are alternative to each other, or they are what it is called complement to each other. Then we saw that in the factor of production, that is land, labor, capital, and enterprise. If you want to alter it, there are two ways, long run and short run. In long run, every factors of productions are variable, but in short run, one factor of production will be fixed, at least one factor of production. And generally, labor is the most variable factor, so you can alter or change the factors of production. So if you are going to change the quantity of factors of production, it will depend upon the time factor, that is short term or long term, and what is the output if you are going to change. So labor is the only factor of production which can be changed very easily. Third, when the firm is expanding or doing any activity, third factor that you are supposed to understand is combining the factors of production. to how much land you are supposed to use, how much, for example, from here you are going to go to church gate, then you will decide which factor of production I will go by railway up till Dadar. From there, I will take a cab. Then I will get down at Chennai Road, and then I will go take a bus, and from there I will go walking. Then I will reach to Wankhede Stadium where I want to see the match. So different sources of transportation you are using. The same way for the production, different combination of factor of productions are being used by the producer. And how? On what base you will decide कि तू क्या use करोगे? It is important to achieve the right combination of factors of production. Underline the achieve the right combination of factor of production. For example, it would not make any sense for a hairdressing salon to have 10 hair dryers and 2 hairdressers, or a farmer to have large amount of land and only few cattle. In the first case, labor will be underutilized. अभी जो ये इंस्टॉल के बाजू में जो टर्कॉइस करके एक सलून है, आपने देखा है? टर्कॉइस इंस्टॉल के बराबर बाजू में ही है, टर्कॉइस सलून है.
आई गेस कपिल
हाँ
वाले के पास में है क्या?
हाँ, कपिल और इंस्टॉल के बीच में
अच्छा,
टर्कॉइस कर. उसके जो हेड ड्रेसर है 90% बाहर ही बैठे रहते हैं. 90% वो लोग बाहर ही होते हैं. बाहर बैठ के चाय, एक टेबल लगाया है, कुर्सियाँ लगाई है, और दे आर ऑलवेज अंडर यूटिलाइज. तो अभी व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर हायरिंग द लेबर, बट दैट मच लेबर इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. शी हैज हायर्ड मोर देन व्हाट इज बीन रिक्वायर्ड. And if a farmer is having a huge amount of land, but only few cattle, so in this case, there would be an insufficient number of livestock to make full use of land. So एक केस आपने देखा अंडर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ लेबर देखा. सेकेंड केस में अंडर यूटिलाइजेशन लाइव स्टॉक नहीं है, उन्होंने देखा. While deciding the combination of resources, firm seek to achieve highest पॉसिबल प्रोडक्टिविटी. अंडरलाइन कर लो ये. जब भी कोई भी फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन तो यूज करेगा, कौन सी क्वांटिटी में यूज करेगा, so then you are going to decide कि whatever either land, 10% of land or 20% of land, then labor, then capital, whatever combination you are going to mix up, that will, your aim will be, as a every producer wants to have highest possible production. For example, table 21.1 shows the most appropriate number of workers to be employed in terms of productivity. With 5 machines is 7. When this is where output per worker is highest. The combination is not always one machine, one worker. ऐसा नहीं होता है. This is because worker may work in shift. Some worker may be undertaking trainings, and of course, in some cases, one worker may be more than one piece of machinery. Now, we will go to that. Both of you open this, that you can see on the screen, the chart given to you in the book. Yeah. Now, see, there are 9 combinations are given to you. Number of machines are there, and number of workers are there. Number of machines are constant, 5. And number of workers of 1 to 9. Now you are given, if you are having a combination of first one, that is 5 machines and 1 worker, total output will be 50. Now output per worker, that is called productivity. So output, total production, divided by the number of workers is called output per worker. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोडक्टिविटी. अभी देखो, एक ही वर्कर है तब आउटपुट 50 है, 2 हो गया तो 60 हुआ, 3 70, 4 80, 5 90, 6 बिकम 100, एंड आफ्टर दैट 710, एंड 8th के बाद देखो, नाउ दिस इज द 7th इज द हाइएस्ट प्रोडक्टिविटी यू आर गेटिंग इन 7 वर्कर्स. If you use more workers, that 5 machine or 8 workers, total output will increase, but their productivity will go down. If you add one more worker, again the productivity goes down. What does it mean? That the business, which combination of the labor and capital the business should be using? Which combination?
Capital.
Which combination is there? There are 9 combination are there.
Oh, वैसा combination 7th वाला because that's the highest productivity.
Productivity, right? You
Yes.
are. Okay. Now, activity. From the following information, calculate the average product of labor and decide the most efficient combination of workers and machine. Tigmanu, can you hear me, bacha? Tigmanu?
Yes, sir.
ये इसकी productivity निकालो and give me the answers of activity 1 that you can see on the screen. Adi, you also take it out in the pencil.
सर अब मतलब क्या करना है?
Productivity. You have to find out the productivity. And which combination will be used by the of workers and machine. First of all, tell me the productivity. 7 productivity.
7th का productivity.
No, not 7th. All 7 productivity.
अच्छा. मैं बता रहा हूँ, तिगमनी बता रहा है.
Tigmanu.
मैं पहले वाला बोलता हूँ, तिगमनी नेक्स्ट वाला बोलते हैं. करना है? तिगमनी.
तू आंसर बोल. लास्ट फाइनल आंसर बोल.
10.
ना.
पहले वाला 10 ही तो होएगा ना टोटल आउटपुट. सॉरी टोटल क्या?
You give me the final answer. Combination वाला.
कॉम्बिनेशन वाला ना. हाँ 10 ही आ रहा है पहले वाले में. 10 डिवाइड बाय 1.
मैं productivity नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ.
तो wait average
Which
product
combination? No, I want which combination of worker and machine will be choose by the business.
ओ अच्छा वैसा. 4th ये वाला 5 वाला.
Okay.
नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स.
Tigmanu. Tigmanu.
हाँ सर.
Productivity.
सबका बोलना है.
हाँ.
सर कैसे कैलकुलेट करने का है? भूल गया.
Total output divided by number of workers.
तो फर्स्ट वाला 10 होगा, सेकंड वाला 12 होगा, थर्ड
Right.
वाला कितना होगा? एक सेकंड. थर्ड वाला 15 होगा.
Fourth. Adi.
फोर्थ वाला
What?
18 होगा.
Right. You
वाला
are.
सिक्स्थ वाला
क्या हुआ सर?
You are
सिक्स्थ
supposed
वाला
to.
8.
Fifth वाला कितना होगा? Fifth. You are supposed to understand that
फिफ्थ वाला 20 होगा ना.
हाँ.
फिफ्थ वाला वो 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करना है ना.
हाँ.
I'm supposed to understand.
So you have to
20 होगा.
understand. Yeah, right. You are 6 or 7 between. So as the number of workers are increasing, total output is increasing. No? It is not that total output is in, but
Yes.
their productivity goes down. So the highest productivity the business gets when the number of machines are constant. So that is fixed cost. That are fixed factors of production. Variable कौन सा है तेरा? Workers.
workers.
So this will take that the combination will be selected by the business. ये तो तुम लोग को एमसीक्यू में पूछा जाएगा, एमसीक्यू में पूछा जाता है ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन. Now, factor influencing the demand for capital goods. Hello, capital. Which are the capital goods?
Capital goods.
हाँ.
Wait. कैसे भूल गया?
Capital goods are those goods which are helping out to produce consumer goods, and they are demanded by other producers. Machinery, for example, is a capital good. So machinery is used to produce other
okay.
consumer goods. So which are the factors which will affect the demand for capital goods? की demand कौन से factor के ऊपर depend होती है? That we are going to understand. Among the key factors influencing the demand for capital goods are the, first of all, the price of capital goods, that is the cost, price of other factors of production, profit level कौन सा है तुम्हारा का, and what is the corporation tax? What is corporation tax? Income generated
Yeah.
from the use of the capital. That is called corporation tax. That is called total income of the business from the use of capital. Interest rate, because capital के ऊपर you are paying the payment of capital as interest. Land का rent, labor का wages, तो capital का interest होता है. Then confidence level and advances in technology. These are all the factors जिसके ऊपर देखो demand for this capital will be depending. What is corporation tax? Tax imposed by government on the profit made by the business. अगर तेरे को जो प्रॉफिट है वह इंडिविजुअल, तो इंडिविजुअल को इनकम टैक्स होता है, और बिजनेस को इनकम जो होती है, प्रॉफिट जो होता है, उसके ऊपर जो बिजनेस को टैक्स लगता है उसको बिजनेस टैक्स और प्रॉफिट टैक्स बोला जाता है. नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको इको में आने वाला है ये सब, और बिजनेस में भी है. तो व्हाट आर दिस फैक्टर्स? A rise in the price of capital good will cause a contraction in demand for capital goods, whereas increase in the price of another factor of production, particularly labor, may increase the demand for capital goods. Because here, when we are talking about capital and labor. They are which good? Complementary goods, substitute goods.
कौन था?
Labor and capital, they are substitute goods.
ये substitutes, yes.
If the price of the capital increases, then the demand for capital will decrease. And if the price of labor will increase, then demand for capital will increase.
Yeah.
This will occur, the factors are substitute, and the rise in the price of another factor make the production of a unit of output more expensive than the involving a rise in the capital. That means if another factor is complement, an increase in price would decrease the demand for capital.
Yes, from a perspective of demand and no perspective of price.
So first of all, the cost or the price of the capital. If the price of capital is higher, demand will be lower, and the price of another complement, substitute goods are higher, then the demand for capital will be more.
More, yes.
And if they are complement to each other, so
एक का प्राइस बढ़ा तो एक का प्राइस बढ़ा तो डिमांड कम हो जाएगा.
Very good, wonderful बच्चा.
The next one is 2 minutes.
हाँ?
Washroom.
Yeah.
Thank you.
जाओ. Sigma nu. Sigma nu. Sigma nu. Sigma nu. sigma nu, 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 sigma nu. This lecture is getting recorded, and today I will have to report it to Shilpa ma'am. Sigma nu, sigma nu.
I'm back.
Okay, thank you. Although sigma nu is not answering at all. I don't know what he is. Okay. So first thing is depend on the cost of capital. If capital cost is higher, then their demand will be lesser, and the cost of substitute factors of production is higher, then the demand for capital will be more. In the case, if they are complementary to each other, then the increase in the price of any of that will decrease the demand for capital. Second, if profit levels are high, firms will have both the ability and incentive to buy capital goods. Means high, if the profit levels are very high, not rate, it's a level. If profit levels are high, then firms will be able to invest, use profit to buy capital. But the profit is very less, then they will not. For example, वो जो if you are coming from तुम्हारा जो road है which go to in orbit, उस पे वो गली के नाके पे द सिग्नल इज देयर, वो केले वाले वो लोग सभी बैठते हैं. कैन दे अफोर्ड देयर ओन व्हीकल? कैन दे इन्वेस्ट इन कैपिटल? नो. बट दोज बिजनेस, those who are having higher capital, they can invest in their capital. They can buy their own vehicle. So if the profit levels are high, there will be ability to incentive to buy capital. Then the firm will be have. Then a corporation tax. Corporation tax means क्या बच्चा? Profit tax.
Yeah, tax on profit in the company.
तो अभी अगर कॉर्पोरेट, तेरा प्रॉफिट इतना है, तेरा प्रॉफिट इज 100 करोड़, एंड आउट ऑफ दिस इफ कॉर्पोरेशन टैक्स इज 60%, तो तेरे पास बचा कितना? 60 निकल गया, 40 बच गया तेरे पास. अभी वही कॉर्पोरेशन टैक्स अगर कम होता है, 30 होता है, तो तेरे पास 70 बचता है. So a cut in the corporation tax would also mean the firms would have more profit available to plow back in the business and greater incentive to do the same. A cut in the corporation tax, ये always याद रखना, this will help you out to write your answers in business also. अगर तेरा corporation tax कम हो गया, अगर मान ले you are in a country, I am also in a country. अभी मेरी कंट्री में क्या है, कॉर्पोरेशन प्रॉफिट टैक्स जो मेरा है कॉर्पोरेशन टैक्स वो 70%, और तेरी कंट्री में 30% है, और तेरी कंट्री में 20% है, मेरे में 70% है. तो मैं 100 रुपया कमाऊंगा तो उसमें 70 रुपीज़ तो गवर्नमेंट लेके जाएगी टैक्स में, तो मेरे पास कितना बचा? 30 रुपीज़. और तेरे पास, तू भी 100 रुपया कमाता है तो 20% टैक्स है, तो 80 रुपीज़ तेरे पास बचता है. तो यही जो प्रॉफिट तेरे पास टैक्स कट होने के बाद तेरे पास जो प्रॉफिट बचेगा, you will be able to invest again into the business. मेरे पास बचेगा ही नहीं. So this will demotivate. If high corporation tax is there, it will demotivate employers. तो कॉर्पोरेशन जब कब कट होता है, प्रॉफिट बढ़ता है, retained profit will increase, and this will motivate employers, employers to invest more into the capital. Okay, rising real disposable income will lead to increase in consumption. What is this? You know that, बच्चा? Disposable income क्या होता है?
डिस्पोजेबल इनकम जो यूज करते हैं ना, बाकी जब सैलरी आता है तो उसका पीपल जो यूज करते हैं ऐसा. नहीं वो नहीं नहीं पता.
ओके नहीं, ओके फाइन, कोई बात नहीं. डिस्पोजेबल इनकम इज द इनकम लेफ्ट विद द कंज्यूमर्स आफ्टर इनकम टैक्स. तो इनकम टैक्स अगर अभी जैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ, हम लोग दोनों की बात करें, मेरे पास 30% इनकम टैक्स है, तेरे पास 10% इनकम टैक्स है. अगर हम लोग दोनों की इनकम सेम है 100 रुपीज, तो तेरा 10 रुपया इनकम टैक्स कटा, तो तेरी डिस्पोजेबल इनकम कितनी होगी? 90. और मेरा भी 100 रुपीज इनकम है, मगर मेरी डिस्पोजेबल इनकम हो गई 70. The income which I can dispose of either in consumption or in saving is called disposable income. Then income minus income tax is equal to disposable income. तो राइजिंग इन रियल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, जब तेरा इनकम टैक्स कम होगा, इट विल रेट इंक्रीज इन कंजम्पशन, लोग खर्चा ज़्यादा करेंगे. This in turn is likely to encourage firm to invest. It will encourage firm to invest as they will expect to sell higher output in the future. अगर तेरी whatever shoes you are making, तो तूने देखा कि यार लोगों के में परचेजिंग पावर बढ़ गया, बिकॉज उनका इनकम टैक्स कम हो गया. व्हेन इनकम टैक्स रिड्यूसेड, तो उनके डिस्पोजेबल इनकम बढ़ गई. So this will motivate the entrepreneur or the business people to invest more in capital so they can sell in future higher. A cut in the interest rate would also tend to raise consumption. बैंक का इंटरेस्ट रेट कम कट हो गया. मैं पहले अगर तू 100 रुपया लोन लेता था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर अवेलिंग अ बैंक लोन, then you are paying interest on that. A cut in interest rate is बैंक की इंटरेस्ट रेट होता है ये. अरे what is this nonsense is happening यार? Highlight. No. ऐसा कैसे होता है, समझ में नहीं. तो कट इन इंटरेस्ट रेट को अंडरलाइन कर लो बच्चा. Would tend to raise the consumption and thereby encourage firm to expand their capacity. In addition, lower interest rate would increase investment. इंटरेस्ट रेट जब जरा लो होता है, बिकॉज तो इंटरेस्ट रेट लो होता है तो क्या होता है, पीपल विल बोरो मोर मनी फ्रॉम बैंक. बिजनेस विल ऑल्सो बोरो मनी फ्रॉम बैंक टू इन्वेस्ट इन द बिजनेस, because they would reduce the opportunity cost of investing and the lower the cost of borrowing. Because lower the cost of borrowing क्या होता है बच्चा? इंटरेस्ट इज लोअर. 100 रुपये पे इफ यू आर बीइंग अ कंज्यूमर, आप लोगों को मैंने कई बार एग्जांपल दिया कि मैकडोनाल्ड में जाओगे या बर्गर किंग में जाओगे, बर्गर किंग में फ्रेंच फ्राइज मिलती है 30 रुपीज़ की, मैकडोनाल्ड में मिलती है नेक्स्ट डोर में 25 रुपीज़ की. Though the 5 rupees does not make change in your life, but then also you will like to go for that only. The same way, business, when they borrow money from bank, they are supposed to return that money with interest, and interest is always known as cost of borrowing. Firms can use profit to buy more capital goods instead of depositing them in the bank account. With low interest rate, firm would be sacrificing less interest by buying capital goods. Borrowing to buy capital goods would also be less costly because you are paying less interest. So when the interest rates are down, business will be investing in capital goods. Another key influence on investment is firms expectation about the future. ये बहुत important है बच्चा, expectation about the future. Generally student ये miss कर जाते हैं. तू कभी भी वर्ल्ड में कोई भी बिजनेस या इंडिविजुअल्स whenever they invest somewhere, it is because of their expectations about the future. If they are confident that sales will rise, they will invest now. In contrast, a rise in the pessimism will result in decline in investment. When you know that the demand is going to be not there, तो तू वो धंधे में पैसा लगाएगा. When you are expectations about the future कि इस प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड बढ़ने वाली है, then you will invest in that. So invest करोगे, that means what? Investment is always capital investment. And the last one is advances in technology will increase the productivity of capital goods. What is that? When you are using capital goods, उसके साथ if you are using technology, हम लोगों ने कल कैड देखा था, कैम देखा था, सीम देखा था. What was that? Advancement in technology. When that technology capital के साथ add होगी, then the productivity of capital will increase. If new and more efficient machinery is developed, firms are likely to invest more. Okay. Now, demand for land. We will just have a Tigmanu. Tigmanu. ये बंदा क्या करता है सच्ची यार. आई एम रियली वरीड अबाउट दिस बॉय. अच्छा, गिव मी 2 minutes ब्रेक. आई विल बी राइट बैक. पानी लेके आता हूँ.
ओके.
I'm back. Hi, Adi. 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 Adi, you are on mute. Adi. Tigmanu. 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 Adi. Hi Adi. Adi. Hello. Adi.
से मेरे को लगा या था वापस आ जाओगे या कॉफी लेने गया था।
ओके।
I'm back. चल
इसका क्या करूँ ये बच्चे का सच्ची समझ में नहीं आता मुझे. आई एम फेड अप ऑफ दिस सिग्मानी सच्ची.
कॉल करूं?
नहीं जाने दे. नो नो. व्हाई?
ठीक
ओके.
है।
नाउ
आज
यू कैन
40
सी.
एक से 45 तक क्लास है राइट? 40 तक छोड़ सकते हो? 40 तक 5 मिनट।
ओके. ओके.
थैंक यू।
Now we have seen how the demand for capital will be there and which are the factors which are affecting the demand for capital. The same way now we are going to see in short about the demand for land. Productivity is the key factor influencing the demand for land. Why? Because whenever you are using demand for land, generally for agriculture purpose, so what is the productivity of that land? In terms of agriculture land, the most fertile land will be highest demand and receive the highest rent also. City center sites are very productive as firms have the potential to attract a high number of customers. For example, why your Malad Waste is having high rent
ये
or high.
because Innovate Mall
Yeah,
पास
so
में।
because of the productivity of that area is higher. आप मलाड ईस्ट में चले जाओ, मलाड ईस्ट में तेरे को तेरे फ्लैट में से तू और 2 फ्लैट ले सकेगा, right? So because of that productivity of land plays a very important role for the demand for that land. If a shop in the center of a New York becomes vacant, it is likely that a number of retail firms would be compete for it in the expectation that they will earn a higher revenue there. The competition pushes up the rent that can be charged for a favorable site. One natural resource which is experiencing an increasing wood demand is water. Water is used for domestic, agriculture, industrial and energy production purposes, right? ये तो तेरे को पता होगा उतना तो. Water is used for domestic purposes, agriculture purposes, industrial purpose and energy production purposes. As countries become richer, they make heavier demands on scarce water supply. The global use of water has increased 6 times in the last 100 years and is predicted to be double again by 2050. So because these resources that we are using, factors of productions or the resources, land that we are using, that is a scarce resources. So as the productivity of land increases, the popularity of land is more, so it will earn more rent and the demand for that land will be more. But they are scarce resources that every human has to consider. Activity करो.
इंडिविजुअल
This.
एक्टिविटी।
हाँ.
मैं बोलूं ये
हाँ.
rising living standards in China and India are increasing the demand for water, which in turn is affecting the price of water. Explain how
Right.
improving living standards would increase the demand for water. Living standards because ये बढ़ते जा रहा है population, वो आएगा living standard.
Not population बढ़ा नहीं, living standard बढ़ा है.
Like कैसा living
The
standard?
standard of living. It is not the it's the economic development. And when the economic development can be there, when the people are becoming more richer and they
Yes.
are using more resources to
To
enhance their
fulfill their
life.
needs.
So
Yeah.
they will be using more. So the demand for water will be more.
Okay. Using a demand and supply diagram, explain what is likely to happen to the price of water in the future. वो वैसे cross वाला.
Yeah, but उससे उससे क्या कैसे कैसे पता चलेगा?
Wait, if price increases, then demand will एक minute. High price
प्राइस
increase,
इंक्रीज नहीं
demand
हो
will
रही है,
decrease.
डिमांड इंक्रीज हो रही है.
Demand के perspective से, so sorry.
तो डिमांड विल शिफ्ट टू द राइट.
Yes, demand will shift to the right, price will नीचे जाएगा कम.
हाँ, और सप्लाई और कम हो जाएगा.
Supply और कम हो जाएगा, हाँ. Shift to
तो
the right, नहीं वो shift to the left होएगा ना demand.
हाँ.
Supply. Yes.
सप्लाई विल शिफ्ट टू द लेफ्ट एंड डिमांड विल
Yeah,
शिफ्ट टू द
shift to
राइट.
the right.
एक रब पेज में ड्रॉ कर.
Yeah, एक minute.
तू बुक में ड्रॉ मत करना, मारूंगा, घर पे आके मारूंगा अगर बुक में ड्रॉ किया तो.
अरे नहीं, नोटबुक.
हाँ, नोटबुक में ड्रॉ करना, बुक में ड्रॉ मत करना.
वो प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी लिखना है ना एक्स एंड वाई वाले में, है ना सर?
वाई में प्राइस होगा,
हाँ,
एक्स
या
में
वही.
क्वांटिटी. ओके, और अभी
और अभी पहले प्राइस इक्विलिब्रियम पे वो बना देता हूँ पहले.
प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी पी एंड क्यू.
P and Q, and then demand shift to the right.
राइट.
D1.
तो D1 करना, उसको D1
Yeah.
लिखना.
D1.
एंड सप्लाई शिफ्टिंग टू द लेफ्ट, उसको S1 लिखना.
Yes sir, वही. अभी हम लोग तो भी डिमांड राइट में शिफ्ट हुआ तो प्राइस इंक्रीज हो जाएगा.
और सप्लाई नया इक्विलिब्रियम कहाँ पे है?
नया इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस
होगा ही नहीं.
एक मिनट, नया इक्विलिब्रियम थोड़ा ऊपर है ना ऐसे. गलत बना दिया मैंने थोड़ा. है नया इक्विलिब्रियम है तो सप्लाई से डिमांड से होगा ना.
हाँ, तो प्राइस डबल इंक्रीज हो गया होगा.
डबल इंक्रीज हुआ. यस,
दैट इज द व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग अबाउट इट, दैट the price of the land is depend on the productivity and the popularity. But
Okay.
because the land is a very scarce resource, not a renewable resource, so the demand will go on increasing, supply will go on decreasing, the price for the same or the demand for the same will be going very fast. And the last section for the today, factors of production and sectors of production. Adi Bacha, basically for you, because I know you can use such words which will help you out to grab more marks. Now, you should be able to use these sentences very carefully. Factors of production and sectors of production. The demand for factor of production can alter as an economy changes its industrial structure. जैसे इकोनॉमी में if they are labor intensive तो लेबर की डिमांड बढ़ जाएगी, कैपिटल इंटेंसिव हो तो कैपिटल की डिमांड बढ़ जाएगी. तो इकोनॉमिकल देश की कंट्रीज इकोनॉमिकल स्ट्रक्चर जैसे चेंज होगा वैसे फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन की डिमांड चेंज होगी. As mentioned in chapter 20, the distribution of resources among different sector changes with economical development. What is the sectors of production? That is the level of production.
Primary, secondary.
Yes, primary sector of production, secondary sector of production. And so as the country becomes more developed, economic development is there, then the distribution of these factors of production will be more towards tertiary sector. In most cases, agriculture reform permits resources to move to low-cost manufacturing. Generally, agriculture में low-cost manufacturing होता है, and those countries which are producing agriculture products, that's why they are getting less return. So they are poor country. Then resources move to higher value-added manufacturing. पहले प्राइमरी में हो गया, then manufacturing, and finally the service sector become the most important one. Not all economies, however, conform to this pattern. India's service sector has expanded before it was built up a sizable manufacturing sector. हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर पे जाओ उससे पहले तो हम लोग का टर्शरी सेक्टर इंडिया का बन गया है. Now, in most countries, the service sector makes the largest contribution to output. Indeed, in 2016, the service sector accounted for 63% of the global output. So different industries make use of different factors of production. The chemical industry, for example, is very capital intensive, and agriculture, that is land intensive, along being a water intensive also. So here they are saying that either you are in tertiary sector, then tertiary sector you can be labor intensive in capital also. In manufacturing you are more of capital intensive. In the primary sector you are more on labor intensive, use of labor. So the factor of production की demand जो है land, labor, capital, enterprise, it also depends on the sector of production. If you are in primary, land and labor will be demanded more. If you are in secondary, that is, you are in production, then there is a possibility the demand for capital will be more than labor. And in tertiary sector, it can be mixed for capital and labor, both of them. Okay, we hold on over here. And labor intensive and capital intensive production method that we will be using next time. I will just draw it here, VT International. One second, hold on. Don't go.
Yes, sir. अच्छा तो बोला नहीं
ये चला गया क्या? ये कहाँ चला गया बच्चा?
पता नहीं सर, बैठा रहेगा तो बिना हेडसेट के सुनाई दे रहा होगा.
क्या सो गया है वो सो गया है बच्चा. वो म्यूट पे है.
I know. I think so. हेडसेट छूट के चला गया कहीं.
He just logs in into the and then he goes away.
हाँ.
बाद में उसकी मम्मी कंप्लेंट करेगी कि आप लोगों को पहले बताना चाहिए था. अच्छा अभी और 2 चैप्टर बाकी है ना अपने.
हाँ. या 2 चैप्टर बाकी है.
I will ask ma'am to keep you more of no BS lecture, but I will ask her to keep eco lecture more.
Yes, thank you.
Why?
आपको पता ना BS इतना पसंद नहीं आता मेरे को. I like economics much better because में कुछ तो practical है.
Okay, चलो, take care, bye.
Okay, bye sir, thank you.
Bye बेटा.
Bye.
इसको क्या करूँ, ये बंदे को क्या करूँ अभी मैं?